Today we're looking at the 2022 Ford Edge SLE in a white exterior. This one is powered by a 2.0 liter engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we do have our black interior leather heated seats on both sides with our lovely red stitching along the side. If we follow that stitching all the way down, you'll find our power seat controls. And of course, back up top, we have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And right below that, you'll see we have our climate controls in the screen as well. We also have our volume scroll wheel here on the bottom left. And to the left of that, we do have our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Down below, we have our wireless charging pad. And right beside that, we have our USB-C and USB charge ports. Moving along, we also have our shifter here, 2 cup holders, and inside we have our middle console with plenty of storage and space for anything you might need. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at our driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that we do have our adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we have our power locks, and over here you'll find our automatic high beams. Moving along to our steering wheel here, if we take a look, we do have our voice recognition and audio controls on the right hand side, and if we look at the left hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a rear view camera, as well as our park sensors there down below. And last but not least, if we head out, we do have our universal home garage opener at the top. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior leather seats. You can see if we take a look in the middle, we have 2 vents to go alongside with some extra storage, and of course our USB-C and USB charge port, and an AC outlet here at the bottom. Behind each front seat, there is these cubbies with extra space and storage. And inside the middle, we do have a cup holder, as well as these seats are retractable. You can find the levers here at the bottom. Just flick it up, and these will come down no problem to maximize your storage here in the back. Checking out the exterior here on our SLE, we do have our blacked oak grille with our LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, if we take a look at our tires, we have our 20-inch black rims on our Scorpion tires, our adjustable side mirrors like I mentioned earlier, our handles with keyless entry, tint in the rear window, and if you move along to the back here, you'll see we do have our power liftgate. You can do it with your keys. Just double tap the button here, and this will pop open no problem, or you can do it manually from the liftgate itself. When closing the liftgate, you can also close it from here automatically, or you can grab the handle here on the right hand side. Inside, we have plenty of space and storage for anything you might need, including these bins here on each side, and of course these hooks to strap in anything safely. If we take a look in the middle here, you'll see we also have our spare tire, and that is our 2022 Ford Edge SLE in a white exterior. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.